Two of my favorite things, Mickey and sandwiches. I got a sandwich maker for Christmas. Hey Dan.
What?
Do you want to be, I need a hat. Do you want to be in my sandwich making video?
I don't know. Did you?
I'm going to go get a hat. Okay, that's better. Now I can properly make sandwiches.
I thought you said you were getting a sandwich hat.
No,
I don't know if I'm properly dressed. Right here's
Where
my
did you get
cheese
that hat? Where did you
sandwich making academy. Yep.
You can be in my sandwich video.
Now what are you gonna do?
You upstairs.
Okay, we're done with the video. This is
Where
all
did
you
you get-
need.
That's
Oh.
not fair.
How about you open the box and let's get cooking?
Okay.
Good looking.
Hey. This is the box.
You didn't show that to him already?
Well, I did, but here, okay, here's the box.
Oh boy.
We have the ingredients.
they're not the
they're
right
all
ingredients.
prepared. Yeah, they
No,
are.
I'm not using salami.
Oh, I thought that was pastrami.
No, that's salami.
I have all my ingredients, but I thought that was, ew, it's touching the bread. Ew, icky meat. Let's open the box.
This should be good.
Dan got me this for Christmas.
Yep, that's all she got.
Hey, you gave me this too.
Yep. Opens a lot easier than the last one. With your waffle maker.
Okay, so it comes. Oops. It comes.
I should wear a helmet or a face mask here.
There it is. Okay. All right.
What does it look like inside?
Okay.
Or I guess we don't get to see the inside.
Yeah, we do. Okay, here are the directions.
I like that you're showing that like they're
Operating.
gonna quickly read it. Follow along, everybody at home.
Okay.
Did you get all
Here's-
that? Here we go.
Here's the safety
That's not what you told me it was.
latch. Look at.
I like that it's two Mickeys and not Minnie in there.
It's so cute.
It says Mickey on there too. In case you made a sandwich and you saw the Mickey head and were like, I wasn't sure if it was Mickey or not. Now what happens?
Okay, now we need to spray it.
Okay.
Spray it. We have to wait for the green indicator light to come on. We just plugged it in and we're waiting for the green indicator light to come on.
He looks like he's really excited for sandwiches.
Light is on. Green indicator.
We should have had the meat already. Okay.
Okay, ready? Did you press record?
Yeah?
Okay, here we go.
My
What
hand's
the? Wait a minute. It's like,
You got it.
gotta get the latch.
Yeah, get that close. That's really elegant.
The instructions say to wait.
45 minutes?
It just says that the indicator light is going to cycle through.
I think it said 3 to 6 minutes.
I think you just like check it.
Yeah, but it said 3 to 6 minutes depending on how much ingredients you have in there. Did you see my sandwich making hat, you guys?
Yeah, we saw.
That is not a sandwich making hat. It's a good hat.
It is. It's
It's
a
not a
wide.
sandwich making hat. Making sandwiches, making the get out of my shot. The sandwiches. It's only been 1 minute.
Okay, should I open it?
No, I think it's too early.
Okay. Let's peek.
What?
It's smoking.
It's not ready yet.
It's not ready, but look at how cute it is.
Don't.
I'm so excited for sandwiches. I only put one slice of cheese on mine.
That's not enough. You only put one slice on?
Yeah, I only put one slice
You
of
should
cheese
have.
on.
We watched Chef last night, the movie Chef. Didn't you see all that grilled cheese
Yeah.
cheese he put on there? It took us that long to watch that movie. What was that, 2014 or something?
Yeah.
If you haven't seen Chef, we highly recommend it. Oh, you wanted another shot of the hat?
Nope.
You're confused. I think we should open it again.
Is our studio.
It's now been 2 minutes. Oh my gosh.
It's now been 2 minutes.
Open up the deluxe latch. Stand back, kids.
Ready?
Mm.
Yum!
What do you think? Longer?
No, I think it's good.
Look at this sweet spatula. See, it's.
Oh yeah, that's a good spatula.
I feel it should be in longer. Let's do it a little longer.
Okay.
Close her down and make sure to lock the deluxe latch.
Okay, it's locked.
Look at how excited Mickey is about it. I like the grilled cheese!
Should have done that.
Oh, Stephanie's getting impatient. She wants to open the deluxe latch.
Okay,
Wait,
ready?
wait. Show the deluxe latch. Go down a little bit. Stop. Deluxe latch. Ooh, look at that feature. Okay. Open the deluxe latch.
Okay, ready?
Let's release the cheese. See, oh boy, see.
Ooh.
Okay, let's try yours now.
That looks
what do
good.
you think?
No, yeah, that looks good. I like it like that.
I
Look
don't
at
know
the
if it's
face
crispy enough though.
It kind of isn't, but look at yours. I think as yours was fuller.
I think that's part of the problem. We should have just made
Grilled-
yours first.
Grilled cheese is on the right, obviously. Look at the side, the top of it.
Here.
Yours
me-
looks perfection.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's.
Is it good?
I think mine could have probably been a little longer, but let's put yours back in now that the bulk of my pastrami sandwich isn't pushing it up.
Let's.
Ooh.
Look at that. What's up with the side though? Like this.
Well, that's the way you put the bread in there, I think. You crushed it.
Oh, cutting right in space.
Oops, see, I can't get this cut.
Why not? Something with the.
It's hot, kids. It's hot. See, that was not enough cheese.
Oops.
Oh my gosh.
So we decided to do just the meat sandwich again. Squish that in there. It's hard to do it with one hand.
I think we got too thick of bread.
You think?
Too large. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at the coating in there. That looks good.
Oh, this is gonna be
Okay.
good. Now,
That's a
one
lot
more.
of meat.
You're fine.
Okay. And then the bread.
Yeah. Now the deluxe
Okay, you ready for the
latch. Oh boy, that's a packed sandwich.
Yeah. So we're waiting on the pastrami sandwich.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
I think the other one would have turned out, but we didn't leave it long enough, and there wasn't enough cheese in there.
I didn't know how much cheese to put on there.
I'm gonna wait 5 minutes on this thing. When did it start again?
408.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Not super exciting while you're waiting, is it? You seem excited for some reason.
Making sandwiches.
You like sandwiches?
Yeah, I love sandwiches, and I don't
The only thing
honestly
better
don't eat them very often.
is if
so-
we could plug this in over at Fort Wilderness and picnic
Yeah.
tables.
Could we put peanut butter in there? Here, come get in the
Here
shot
we
with
go.
me.
Peanut butter.
Yeah, could we make fried peanut butter and jelly sandwiches like Elvis?
He made them fried?
Yeah, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, fried peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. We could make. Ooh, it's seeping out of the side. We got some
Where?
crumbs around here.
Oh, look at that.
Ew. How do I clean that?
Thank
what do we
gosh
do
you're
about-
editing this thing down because this is the most boring video ever.
Man, it's really seeping out the side now.
4 minutes. Should I peek?
Yeah. Ooh.
Whoa. It's really going to be sticky in there. We're going to have to do some major cleaning.
We've got more stalagmites or stalactites or whatever they are.
Grilled cheese. He's just waiting. I'm glad they're getting another shot of that. 5 minutes and
Closing.
counting. we're gonna have a cleanup there. Hey, clean up on aisle 6, Harv. Oh.
Okay, now let's check. Look at all that.
Ooh. Just a little longer.
Are we supposed to turn it? The directions don't say
No,
anything
because
about
if you
turning.
turn it, your Mickey head won't be on it.
Oh, yeah,
It
right.
might flatten it out.
What do we do?
Wow, this is kind of a fail.
Oh!
Ooh, see?
Ooh, that looks good.
Some cleaning to be had here.
Nah.
Ooh, see my nice spatula? See how that works?
Yeah.
It's really good to use for fish.
What do you think, Meats Peds? You want a sandwich?
See, hear that? That's a good part right
Yeah,
there.
that's a nice
It's like the
char.
pizza crust there.
Yeah.
All right.
Cut her open. Right through the face. Who cares?
How else are you going to do it?
Exactly, I know. It's just kind of weird.
Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
Some little fun size
Yeah.
bites. Because you know the tough thing about this is when you get that meat in there, it starts sliding around pretty good
Yeah.
when you try to take a bite. So it's kind. What are you doing?
Moving the plate.
I'm not done yet.
Oh.
So just like
Wow,
pizza,
look at that.
you gotta kind of let it sit
That
a
looks
sec.
really good.
Ooh.
Ooh.
You think that's done?
No. I'm waiting for my sandwich.
Oh my gosh. Can you give me a little room over here? You don't need to be right next to the sandwich maker.
What do you think?
I still think to...
Leave it a little bit?
Yeah.
What do you think the problem is?
Well, we made my sandwich, then kept it open, and we didn't really... It sat open for a while. Maybe it cooled down. So we should have shut it, sprayed it with that
and
sweet
let it
spray of yours.
And let the green light come back on.
Yeah, the green indicator light. So maybe it was a little just warm instead of hot.
Hot.
We didn't hear the sizzle like the last time. Wow. See what I'm
See,
dealing
that's
with?
why I love
Every
hot.
day this is what goes on. Oh boy.
Pow!
I think the pow is right here. Look at my cheese.
I actually.
Ow! Sandwich hat. Sandwich hat.
Sandwich hats! Sandwich hats!
Sandwich hats!
I think I'm actually going to take
Who's
my
our-
hat off.
What?
I'm actually going to take this hat off.
Oh boy. Ooh, that looks good.
Ooh, yeah, that's.
I think it'll be okay. I think that's what happened though.
Yeah, I think so.
This is going to be the test if we hear anything.
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Yes. Let me see the inside.
See, I still feel there wasn't enough cheese, but
No, but that's okay. I don't
do you want
like
it in
like
big
super-
triangle? You want it the little mini or
I
what?
want in little mini.
See that little piece that gets
Yeah, I like
stuck
that.
out of there? That's kind of nice.
Yeah.
There.
Yum.
See, now we put it. Now, kids, now you have a puzzle. Now you got to put that
Yeah.
together.
It's a bonus. Well, what's our review of the Mickey sandwich maker?
I think it's really good. I think it's pretty good. It was very simple. I think
Very simple.
you shouldn't do 2 level of sandwiches at the same time like we initially tried. It's very small little sections to put your bread in, so you can't have really wide bread.
No. So like an artisan bread, I don't think would work.
No, the big Italian loaf.
Or like a bagel. and
Let's
a
eat the
bagel.
sandwiches.
Okay, let's eat sandwiches. Mmm.
You like your sandwich?
Mine's really good.
Mmm.
Mmm.
I like when it kind of cools off a little bit so it sticks together better.
Me too. I just like sandwiches any way. Mmm. Oh, hot.
She doesn't like to wait usually, but you know what's the best? Why they taste so good?
Why?
I bet mine tastes better than yours
Why?
because I'm wearing a proper sandwich hat.
Thanks, Dan, for the sandwich maker. Bye, everyone.
Who knows what next fabulous cooking video we're gonna make?